Hello, my name is Christopher Lavin, attorney with the Lavin Law Group. If anybody has ever gone through the Medicaid application for their loved one, they know it can be as painful as sometimes just going to the dental office. It's a very complicated process. We call it the audit. The state has the right to ask you any information they want for what's been going on with family, health, and resources over the last 5 years. They require a significant amount of documentation before they approve eligibility. So I'll have a lot of clients after we go through the process that come back into the office and say, Chris, for one reason or another, level of care or just priority of facilities, we would like to move our loved one to a different facility. My big statement to the family is never be afraid to get the proper care for your loved one. That's the most important thing. I think you should ignore cost even. Benefit programs are out there to help cover the costs. The most important thing is to make sure you have your loved one in a facility that you're comfortable with. But it can be confusing if you move a loved one from one facility to another facility in a different county. A lot of clients don't want to go through that process because they believe they're going to have to start that application process again. That's not true. A rule to keep in mind is once you're eligible, you're eligible. Generally what we'll do for the client is after they settle into the new county, we will notify the county the caseworker in the old county, who will then simply transfer the case to a caseworker in the new county. The caseworker in the new county may require some documentation, maybe updates of statements, just to make sure that they are still eligible at the time of the transfer, but it's nowhere near as complex as the initial application. So please don't be afraid to transfer your loved ones to the proper facility. The most important thing is to make sure that you're satisfied with their level of care.